Hey everybody, welcome. So here we are doing another video. It's a TEMU Jewelry Haul. We have a little whiner in the background, of course. Let me fix my camera here for a second. You look a little crooked. Okay, so this tiny bag is literally filled with jewelry. And I hope this video doesn't take forever. I'm gonna try on most of it. I may not clasp the necklaces because that might take a while, but now I don't have my scissors handy, of course. So it is Tuesday. Hope everybody's doing good. I am filming this video before I go to work. Typically I don't work on Tuesday, but Thursday is my daughter's birthday. So I took off Thursday, picked up Tuesday, just so I didn't lose a day. But here we have my TEMU sweatshirt. Don't mind me if I'm wrinkly. I literally just pulled this out of the closet, put it on. I thought about throwing it in the dryer, but then I thought, I don't want to stand in front of the dryer in my bra waiting for it, so I just said, screw it. So here we are. I have my Good Energy Club hat that Carla gave me. It's so cute. I love it. I don't have a white hat. I don't know why I never bought a white hat, but I like it. Good Energy Club has a little smiley face. So I'm in that club, and you can be in that club too. We're taking applications. Just kidding. I mean, we can be in that club though, for sure. What else did I want to tell you? Oh, I have no jewelry on because, like I said, this is all a jewelry haul. So, what else did I want to tell you? I don't know. I'm starting to finally thaw out. I don't know what the temperature is. I think it's in the mid 40s right now. So that's really cool. Yeah, it's just been, it's been brutal. I feel like I was living in the Arctic with my 50 layers of clothing on, but you know, I don't know if I like this chair here, guys. I'm gonna pull this in. Push you in. There we go. That's better. Why didn't I do that in the beginning? See some just random chair sitting in the middle of my living room. Okay, so I was gonna try to have the dogs out, but they were acting absolutely insane. So I had to put Bella in her cage. Tyson's laying on his new bed. Romeo, who knows where she is, and Carpet Karen is upstairs somewhere. She'll be calling for somebody soon. Come up and see me. Okay, so the first thing we have, and I don't know prices on these, but I know it was all very cheap. I feel like I got about 40 items for probably $40, I think. And I figured I'd put this shirt on. Just, it's a nice showcase shirt so that I can showcase all this fine jewelry for you. But, okay, so the first thing I'm seeing in this package is a little clip. And don't mind my nails, I still didn't do them. Tonight, maybe tonight after work I'll do them. But yeah, there's a little tiny hook right there. I really hope it's not broken. The exchange policy is very simple. I just don't feel like doing it, to be honest. Okay. Yeah, I don't know where that's coming from. Unless it's coming from this adjuster. This little adjuster chain. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And it's a heartbeat. Hopefully normal sinus rhythm. If you know, you know. Has a heart. And then a little jewel hanging down. But that's really cute. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on. And if you see me mouth breathing, it's because I am. My nose is stuffy still. So I could be mouth breathing, but that's what it would look like. And it's not too big. I mean, I think it needs to be a little bit big so you can at least see it, but it's cute. And I got it in gold. It's not like a real goldy gold, but it's a nice gold. There's actually two little hooks in there. Don't know what that's about. Oh well. I tried to get a variety. I tried to get rings, bracelets, necklaces, earrings. Okay, so this was not on the chain. Oh, this is a pretty chain though. Look at that chain. Try to get my nails out of frame. Looks like I have something. I didn't even put my glasses on yet. And I know this hat is gonna give me some sort of funky hat line, but that's okay. I'll just use my foundation that probably is not my color to fix it up a bit. It's a little bit knotted, but this is, okay. Let me get this unknotted because the pendant is not on it. So in order for me to get the pendant on it, I have to unknot it. That was like a little bit of a rhyme there. Get it on it, you have to unknot it. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna put the pendant on. Here comes Romeo. Okay. How pretty. Okay, buddy, that's not for you. You have a million toys. Okay, I'm trying to show it. Let me do my job. So it's a lotus flower. It's so pretty. It's actually really pretty. So it has, okay, bud. It has diamonds on the bottom and like a stone in the back that looks like it's an opal from the front, but I don't think it is. Okay, this is gonna be fun. Huh. You have toys. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's try something else that maybe he won't want to grab. Okay, so this is a ring. It's a turquoise ring. My mother always used to have so much turquoise jewelry, and I always loved it, and I love looking through her jewelry. But this is a turquoise ring, size 6. So that's what it looks like, and it's silver. And it has a little bit of a design on the side. That's really pretty. I like it. I really should have did my nails before doing a jewelry video. That probably was a really big mistake. Okay, now he's gonna climb in the tree. I hope everybody's doing good. I am still drinking my fruition water. It is so good, but so bubbly. Am I in frame? Yeah. So this is the water I was drinking yesterday in my video, but it is so bubbly. And I just keep shaking it and then kind of letting a little bit of the air out. And I'm trying to drink a lot because I'm trying to kick this, whatever it is. And I've been taking Airborne and my Smart Greens. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Stop talking because we got a lot to get through. There's so much in this bag. Okay, sky blue ring, size 7. What finger is a 7? I can wear it on both. Get my other hand out of there. That's pretty. I love that color. But I never used to wear jewelry until I started shopping on Temu. And their jewelry is so cheap, and it's just, you can just interchange it. Oh, excuse me, I burped, I'm sorry. You can interchange it with different outfits. And it's just cool. Like, I like wearing different earrings every day. And if you're allergic to certain earrings, what you do is you put a little bit of clear nail polish on the stem of the earring. Sorry. And like I said before, Tyson thinks everything is his. So anything Romeo goes near, it's Tyson's. It doesn't matter what it is. It could be a bag, it could be a shoe, it could be anything. But yes, put that on your ears or in earrings, and then it won't irritate your ears, hopefully. I've tried it myself. I used to be allergic to every earring. I literally wore the same earrings for years because I could not wear any other cheap earrings. But this is really pretty. It has some design on the side. It doesn't stand off too tall or too high, but it stands off. Little standoffish. So we were in Giant Eagle yesterday. Funny story. And because I'm silly and sometimes my daughter's like, you're just so stupid, Mom. So we're looking at spaghetti sauces, and I like mixing the spicy spaghetti sauce with the or any regular spaghetti sauce. So it's a little bit spicy, and we were looking at one that said sensitive marinara. So I said to my daughter, I said, Jade, I said, shh, watch what you say around the sauce. It's sensitive. And she was like, oh. She said, Mom, you're dumb. I don't even think she thought it was funny. I thought it was funny. So here's another turquoise. It's kind of oval. Very pretty sides. Bella. That is a size, not that it matters, a size 5. So that would fit, who knows? I still don't know my ring sizes. That would fit my ring finger, but it's pretty. I like that. Now let's all take a vote on how long it will take for the stone to fall out. Looks like it's a little bit, that stone's a little bit sketchy. All right, how about something other than a ring? Earrings, here we go. We got some gold earrings. And they come, they crack me up. You crack me up. So they come with this, this earring holder, but the earrings are never attached to it. Why even bother? Just throw the earrings in a bag. So there are 3 hoops, and it comes with a little gold back, not the silicone one, it's a metal one. Oh, they're cute. And they look like they would be heavy, but it's actually not. I mean, there's a tiny bit of weight to it, but it's really not that heavy. I like it. Yeah, they're cute. I got those. Some of these I might have gotten doubles of because I wanted to use them for giveaways. I like giving jewelry away. Because who doesn't like jewelry, right? I mean, maybe some people don't, but I would say 90% of people do. All these are so cute. I might wear these to work tonight. I love these colors. It's like spring. Oh, they're adorable. All these little butterflies. Look how cute. And they have these little pastel stones. Now, the gold is very gold. But how cute. I have these other butterfly earrings, and they are these foamy butterfly wings. But I get so many compliments on them. I think just because they're colorful. I wish you could see it better. So yeah, those are cute. Not real heavy. Tiny bit of weight, but nothing annoying, nothing that will hurt. Oh, they're adorable. Let me see if I can show you up close again. Cute. I like those. Now, if there's anything that you like, I will definitely just shoot me a comment, and I will definitely put in the description box for you. Or not in the description box. I would definitely comment the link back to you. What is this? I don't know, but it looks pretty. It's a bracelet. Bracelets. Look how pretty these colors are. That is like every color in the rainbow. And they all look like they're pastel. So that would be perfect for Easter, spring. You get a ton of them. And I don't know if they're linked together or they're all separate. Okay, so there's about 5 that are linked together with this little leaf. And then we got another little cluster with the tree of life. I can get it to stop moving. And then another little cluster with a bigger tree of life that's kind of hollow. They're cute, so you can wear them 1, 2, or 3. I probably wear all 3, why not? Be a rebel, right? Have bracelets all the way up your arm. They're cute. I like it a lot. So does anybody still have really cold weather? I feel like I watched a couple of videos and everybody's saying that they're kind of still snowed in, which is horrible. I know a lot of the states, the people aren't used to snow, so they can't drive in the snow. Now I'm used to snow and I still can't drive in the snow. I don't prefer it because, to be honest, I feel like I don't have control of my vehicle and I don't like that. You know, maybe my car is good in the snow, but I don't trust other people, for one, and I don't trust ice. You know, like if you slip on ice, then, you know, it's game over. There's no getting out of that. There's nothing that'll help you with that. But yeah, anyway, just don't like it. I always check the weather before I go to work. Sometimes my daughter will take me, sometimes Matt will take me. This ring is huge. Okay, I got a size 10. Don't know where I'm gonna fit this. Maybe I could fit this on my wrist. But it's pretty. It's like that really dark blue. Look how pretty that is. Hope you can see that good. Can you see it? Can you see it? It has a lot of decoration on it. It looks antique. If you can see in the middle. Can you? There we go. Maybe that's a little better. Well, it won't even fit on my thumb. A toe ring? Maybe? I don't know. I mean, somebody can have it. Who wears a size 10? We'll use that for a giveaway for sure. Okay, I don't know why this is in here. I'll save that for last. For the so-called all jewelry haul, which apparently is not. I must have liked the hat. Why not add a hat to the jewelry haul, right? How does this work? Oh, this is fancy. I don't know if you can hear that, but I think Midge is over there just chugging water. I feel you, girl. Drink that water. Okay, so this is what the earring looks like. So it's just a circle with this long pendulum looking thing hanging down. Has a silicone back. It's not easy to get on. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's cute, that's different, right? I mean, that's definitely different. I've not seen earrings like this. Maybe you all have. I have not seen earrings like this yet. That's neat. I mean, at first you're like, okay, that's weird, but it's cool. It looks cool in your ear. Well, obviously I didn't think it looked weird because I bought it, but I probably bought it because it was different. It's so quiet in my house. I mean, other than the animals. I'm used to having the TV on or playing my Spotify. or listening to people, I don't know, vacuum their carpets. Now I can't get it off. Okay, I started to freak out a little bit. It's like a ring. Like if you can't get a ring off, I'll freak out. I'll freak out. Okay, put you back in your little holder. What else do we have? Oh, these are cute. These are so tiny. Okay, ages 15 plus years. I get it because children can swallow these. See, there's a neighbor yelling outside. It's always something. I spoke too soon, that's what it was. That happens to me all the time. Are the backs even in here? Yeah. The backs are in here. Whenever you get these, ladies and gentlemen, make sure that you don't just like, just rip this open all willy-nilly, and because you're gonna lose backs. The backs are never on them, I don't know why. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's gonna be super small, but it has gems and then a little flower, a little white flower. And they're gonna be pink, like a clear pink, an opaque pink, a little pearl, a diamond. I don't know what that gold thing is. Just a little decoration, I guess. So that's what they look like. We're gonna put it in, and you're probably not gonna be able to see it unless I move like 1/8 of an inch from the camera. Get my hair out of the way. I'm getting new hair finally. So I'm gonna, my hair is in the mail. So I'm gonna finally be able to get this pink out. I'm a little bit over the Barbie jokes, you know? No, I'm just kidding. It doesn't bother me, but I'm the type of person who doesn't, I wouldn't say it doesn't like something for too long, but I'm the same with perfume. I will get a perfume and I always make sure I get the little one because I get tired of it very quickly. So, you know, with hair, I feel like this hair has been in for 3 months now, maybe. I don't even remember. But I originally wanted like the really light purple, but I'm just gonna go with my normal natural color. It's in the mail. Hopefully it comes soon because I wanna get this out. This is pretty. Okay, so this is a cuff bracelet. I think they were out of the one that I wanted, but this one's pretty. Oh, I thought like a little fingernail fell out. Ooh, that grossed me out for a second. I thought that was somebody's fingernail. I can get this out of the bag. There we go. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know what stone this is. If you know, please let me know. Look how pretty though. It's like green, blue, purple. Wow, I like that. And it's adjustable, so I'm gonna have to tighten it because it is a little bit top heavy, so it's gonna end up, you know, probably falling down this way. So I have to tighten it a little bit, but that's pretty. Kind of matches my tattoo. Matt actually did this tattoo. It's like a watercolor owl. I like that. But it is top heavy, which could be a little bit annoying. I'm not gonna lie. But I'll still wear it. Oh, there's that fingernail still stuck to me. Thought I got rid of it. There's another one. Put you back in your place. Put you in your place, bracelet. Stop yelling out there. What are you gonna yell for? Okay, this is a necklace. And I don't ever wear pearls. I've never owned pearls. I've never worn pearls. But why not be a little bit different, right? And it's pretty. I'm actually gonna put this one on and see. We'll see what it looks like. Because this should be easy to do. Jinx myself again. Should be. There we go. I mean, obviously it'll lay better with my hair not bunched up in it, but that's pretty. With just like a black shirt or a white shirt. Yeah, I like it. I think somebody's having a party. They're probably celebrating the weather. I'll still be bundled up. I had my, okay, they're right here, so I'm gonna show them to you. I had my heated gloves on last night. And this is what I have to use to plug them in. Okay, you have to have a little portable thing. These are the gloves. I look like a real, what did my grandma always used to say? My Serbian grandma always used to say, you look like a real Yahoo or something like that. I forget what she said. She said weird words that I didn't know what they meant. And my Serbian aunt would always say, Vlaja, whenever she was mad. Don't know what that means either. Or she'd say, oh, henna. Strange. Okay, so these are the heated gloves. So you gotta like plug them in. Okay, so I have my robe on at the time. Just picture this, I have my robe on. You know, I go outside to have my smoke. And I have my robe on, my hood up. I probably look like a, I don't know, like a ninja with heated gloves. So I'm wearing them for about 15 minutes, okay? I'm not out there that long, obviously. But I'm wearing them for about 15 minutes and I'm like, these are not getting warm. Okay, so the only warm pad on here is on the top. So if you look, there's the heating pad. And they just like weren't getting that warm. Like I want, you know, you could fold these over your fingers because my fingers are always cold too, but I didn't do that. I just thought this would kind of heat up my whole hand, but it did not. I'll still try them, I'll still wear them, but if you're thinking about these, I don't know. I would probably say nay. I would say nay. All right, so there is that. I just wanted to show you those because they were so close to me. Okay. Next we have a million things. Lord. This might be a long video. What are we on? This could be my longest yet. Look how pretty this is. I mean, the necklaces aren't that great, I'm gonna be honest, but I think this necklace was about 98 cents. So, you know, it is what it is. But look how cute that heart is. And I think you could have got red, white, maybe pink. This is more of like a white, off-white. Does have an adjustable chain. It is gold. But that's pretty. And it looks like a short one. I like the ones that come up kind of right there. Looks like this might do that. Maybe I'll wear this one to work. I'll be all jazzed up. Jazzed up and nowhere to go. Okay, we have another necklace. I need the necklace holder in the worst way. I think I have one in my cart somewhere and I have no idea where. Temu, Shein, I don't know. Okay, so this one is a butterfly. I could wear these with my butterfly earrings. Also adjustable in gold. If you don't like gold, I'm sorry. If you're more of a silver person, but a lot of these options do come in silver too. So you can definitely, I hope it's, man, do I get sidetracked fast? I hope it's bright enough in here for you to see. I could turn my ring light up, but I feel like it washes everything out. So it has little tiny diamonds. And I do that because sometimes I'll get corrected. I know they're not diamonds. I don't know what they are. Cubic zirconias, who knows? Little pieces of glass. I don't know, but sometimes I'll get corrected. So I'm just throwing up the air quotes for you so you know they're not real diamonds. What is this hunk of mess? happening? Oh my goodness. What is going on? Oh, this looks like a double chain. Oh, it is. Okay, so this is a double chain. Let me take a look at it so I can show you what it is. Okay, so in the top, smaller chain, and it looks like a box chain. We have like a round diamond and then a heart with a diamond in the heart. Is it pretty? Let me see if I can turn my light up on. Ooh, okay. Ooh, that's bright. Now you see the sparkle. That's cute. I like double chains because that way you don't have to wear two. You just wear one. That's cute. I think Romeo likes it too. You like this one? Okay, let's not swallow it. Try to get it back on here. Oh, he's too much. He is too much. I have to get him fixed. He's probably about 6 months now. And I have to get him fixed in the worst way. He's not doing anything bad yet around the house, but I'm just afraid that that time is coming. And I want him to be a little more cuddlier because he used to be really cuddly and now he's not so much. He just like gazes at you from afar, which is kind of creepy in a way. It's sweet, but it's just like, if you want to see me and you know, cuddle, come on, like come over. That's like Carpet Karen, who stays upstairs all the time. And she just yells up from the top of the steps for people to come up and go into her room and go into her bathroom to visit. Okay, this is a double heart necklace in silver. I guess I got silver because I thought maybe it was prettier in silver. But the small heart is just like a flat metal, and then the bigger heart connected is diamond. That's pretty. I like that. Okay, from back here with no glasses, it looks like handcuffs. It is not. So if you missed up to this part, this is not handcuffs, it's 2 hearts. Just kidding. That's pretty though. My eyes are getting bad. I have to go back and get them done again. I got offered to be sponsored from this eyewear company and I was so excited. So I thought, well, I'm gonna go to my eye doctor and I'm gonna get my prescription. I think I already talked about this. Sorry if you already heard the story. And she told me, well, we can't give you a printout of your prescription because it's been over 2 years. And I'm like, well, that kind of sounds a little bit fishy to me. So I said, so there's no, like, you do not have my record. I mean, what if I were to come back? Like, what do you have to compare it to? You know what I mean? So I'm arguing with this lady in the eyeglass store. And she said, well, we just, after 2 years, it just completely goes out of our system. So I said, okay, I'm not going to fight with you anymore. I was in there for about 15 minutes arguing with this lady. But yeah, I was hoping to get some eyewear because they would have sent me prescription, but I need to get a new prescription anyway, so I guess it all worked out. That was the silver lining, her telling me no. I think I got this ring in a previous haul. But it's so pretty and dainty. I love it. Okay, so it's silver. It has diamonds around the outside. And then it has a red heart in the middle. I feel like it's going to be too loose for that finger. Oh, that finger scares me. Look how pretty though. So pretty. And then on the previous haul, I got the jewelry bags. So you can put all of your jewelry into those bags, and supposedly they, you know, they won't oxidize your jewelry or tarnish your jewelry. They just keep them protected for the most part. Ooh, these fashion. These are gonna be fancy. I'm freezing. Now you've got to be shitting me. They're so cute. Man, I'm missing 2 gems. Do you see that? Right here, top, bottom. But they're so cute. Oh, man. Okay, well, that's a return. I'll leave these out. Bummer. They were cute, too. Right, let's get through this because we have a lot. Okay. You're like, don't know what time it is, can't see that far. I can always put my glasses on, which are not over here. Okay. This is not working out. Well, this looks tricky. Okay, so there's a heart, pearl, then you stick this pearl ball through, and I guess, okay, let's try this. The back is already connected to the other back, so then it just hangs there like that. So the pearl is in the front, and then the heart comes looped around the back. That's cute. That's really cute. I'm really bummed about the other ones. I mean, they're gonna give me my money back, but I kind of want the earrings. Okay, we're gonna stop pushing. Okay, moving right along. Look at how pretty this is. This is a pretty necklace, actually. I mean, it's all kinked up, but it has a purple stone and then a silver heart that also has stones in it. Is it the right way? No. There we go. That's really pretty. Okay. Oh, we have another ring, like that little heart ring. We have a necklace that says wish, make a wish, and put on your something. Put on your necklace. Don't be afraid to be bold, but they put an L on the end of bold. Wear this as a reminder to wish without lemons, L-I-M-I-N-T-S, without lemons. Okay, so it's a shamrock, pink shamrock, with a little cubic zirconia as one of the leaves. Now we have a twisty ring that looks large. What size? Oh, it's a 7. So it's a gold twisted ring with diamonds in it. That would be a nice, I guess, well, it would have to be a thumb ring. That's pretty. Hope you can see it. Oh, my hands are like ice. Okay. Moving along. I must have been in a pearl cake. So we got some pearls. I guess with a pearl necklace. Oh, no, it's a bracelet. Okay, so I got a necklace, earrings, and a bracelet. So this is what it looks like. It has one of these little clasps. It has a heart that will dangle with some clear cubic zirconias around it. And you just kind of put this through, and then it'll, yeah, just like that. You just put it through just like that. Put it through like that. Hopefully you don't lose it. That's pretty. That. Another necklace. I feel like this could be the same. Now my background looks really dark. Oh. No, it's kind of the same, but it's just a different color. So that purple 2-heart necklace, this is like a yellowish champagne color. That's pretty. That's really pretty. Look how sparkly. Even the chain is pretty. I like that one. Okay, another ring, just like I showed you, that twisted ring. We got a mood ring. I've never gotten a mood ring. Whoop. And I don't even know, like, if it showed green or blue, I don't even know what mood that is. But here is the mood ring. Oh. Why is it showing up so dark? Okay, so when I took it out of the package, it was like yellow. Okay, now it's looking black. That's what the side looks like. It's a little bit loose for this finger, maybe middle. No, middle's even smaller. Okay, maybe it'll have to be that one. Now it's almost like an amber color. Oh, now it's showing red. See, I don't know, I wish I had a chart that would show you what colors it was. It should come with it. You'd think they'd have like a little card in here that says, if it's green, you're happy. If it's blue, you're sad. If it's red, you're on fire mad. Whoa, this looks like something. Oh, okay, it's a bracelet. I thought it was a necklace. I was like, whoa. Okay, so you get 4 bracelets. This one has a little tassel, which is so cute. This one has some bigger beads. And this one has a little leaf that hangs from it. That's cute. If I could show you the right way. Here we go. Clink, clink, clink. That's pretty. I like that. Look at this very big diamond. Oh, and it has little roses on it too. That's cute. Let's count how many times I said that's cute. Or that's pretty. Okay, so here are little heart earrings, little white ones that'll match that necklace. Do they look like hearts? I don't know. I mean, they kind of look like little V's, but whatever. Call it what you will. Why? Why, Ash? I don't know what I was thinking with this one. This is like top-notch bubblegum machine jewelry. So plasticky. And you see how they're all scratched up? Okay. Well, they're ugly. Yeah, I wouldn't suggest these. We'll put that in the return pile. I don't think they're scratched up. I think there was just, like the plastic was a little bit rough and then they tried to spray paint over it with pink and it just, yeah. So anyway. Then, oh, we have this as a gift, so I can show this. Okay, so this is a gift for somebody. Can't show that on film. You got a lot of necklaces, huh? I'm not a big bracelet person. Oh, this is pretty. Did I show you this in the beginning? I think I might have, but they're just 3 flowers with diamonds. I like these little dainty necklaces. I don't know why. I think because you can layer them. I mean, statement pieces are nice too, if you just wear one thing that matches an outfit. Got more butterfly earrings. We're almost done. Got another little, a wish necklace in green. Ooh, we got some fancy red earrings. These have the shepherd hooks. They're almost like matte feeling. But that would be really pretty with a black shirt. Even a white shirt. They'd be pretty for Valentine's Day. They're fancy. Oh my goodness. This is like a big ring. Size 8, not literally big in size, but wow. Wow, wow, wow. What in the world? Look at that stone. It's not fitting. And there are stones all around it. The sides actually have, looks like little vines with diamonds in there. But the stone is not very shiny. It's not very sparkly. It's pretty. I don't know if I'd buy it again. Trying to get through this kind of quickly now because I feel rushed. Okay, so these are just little like chunks of gold. Hoop earrings. So I remember my mom used to take me to like Pan for Gold, and I don't think we ever found any, but you go to this little trough and you have your little pan and you scoop and looking for gold. But if you were to find tiny pieces of gold, this is what it would look like. Okay. Silver, same thing. Okay, we got a twisted silver ring, same as the gold one. We got an infinity necklace. This looks like it might be rose gold with some diamonds in it. That's really pretty. Okay, we're almost done. Bella needs to come out and wreak havoc everywhere. Couple more things. Couple more things. We got some, I'm not gonna take all these out. We got these really pretty turquoise earrings that are silver. Another heart necklace, gold. Wow, these are pretty. Oh, see, it lost the backs. Wow. And they're like leaves, but look how pretty. I'm gonna put the backs back in. Not that you would need them with the shepherd's hooks. Whenever I put the shepherd hook in, I just squeeze it. So, oh, and then this one, which is like a blue. This shamrock, which was a blue. So there we have that haul, that jewelry haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I definitely did. I got a lot of nice jewelry. There were only a couple things that I'll probably have to take back or return. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. We are at almost 50 minutes, which is long. I'll probably do a little bit of editing, but not much. Anyway, I will talk to you soon. I have to go get ready for work. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment. Want to hear from you. Thank you so much. I will talk to you. Stay sweet. Bye.